Hi. Okay. So there's a bird's nest in the garage of my apartment block, and I thought I'd just film what normally happens whenever I park my car in my spot, which happens to be directly below the bird's nest. We're just pulling into there now. From what I can tell, the chicks have hatched, and the two parents are going absolutely nuts whenever anyone, including myself, goes anywhere near the nest. So here we are now. I'm just going to park up. I can see one of them has already just... Oh, sorry, there's the second one now. They've both just flown into the nest and are now circling around. So duck, basically, because they will go absolutely nuts. So here we go. Watch this space. Just getting out. Oh! There's one of them. There's the other. Oh! Shit. I hope you can get in all this. Yeah, the nest is just up there. They are not happy. Right. I'm just going to get down on all fours and duck. Okay. I think I've made it.